1 in 3 Canadians will have a neurological or mental health condition in their lifetime, making brain disorders a leading cause of disability in Canada. Understanding how the brain works is one of the biggest undertakings of our time. The Djavad Mowafaghian Centre for Brain Health at the University of British Columbia is at the forefront of brain research and patient care in Canada. World-renowned medical care is provided at 5 specialized clinics and through clinical trials that examine how effective and safe new therapies and medications are. Medical breakthroughs are possible because of research happening at our center. The first step in developing treatments is understanding how the brain works at the genetic, molecular, and circuit level. Only by understanding how the brain develops, ages, and functions can we diagnose, prevent, and treat brain disorders and injuries. There are over 100 clinical and foundational researchers at the center, working together to bridge research and health care. The sensory motor team is focused on understanding how the brain controls movement and processes sensory information to develop better treatments for disorders like multiple sclerosis, Huntington, and Parkinson's disease. Other scientists study injuries that happen to the brain, like a stroke or traumatic brain injury, and look at how the brain can be repaired. Our mental health and addictions group is paving the way towards developing effective new treatments for disorders like depression and anxiety. Researchers focused on learning, memory, and dementias aim to discover how the brain stores information and how this is affected when a person develops disorders such as Alzheimer's disease. Another group of researchers aims to determine how the brain develops from infancy to adulthood, and how disruptions in brain development can lead to autism, epilepsy, and intellectual disabilities. All of this research is supported by our many state-of-the-art facilities, like a cryo-electron microscopy facility, which uses microscopes up to 13 feet tall to take pictures at near atomic resolution. A biobank, where human tissues and samples are stored. A neurocomputation and preclinical imaging center, which contains high-performance microscopy and computing equipment, and a neuroimaging suite, which houses advanced PET and MRI scanners used to study the human brain. At the heart of what we do at the center are our trainees, who are being mentored as the next generation of scientists. By uniting research, education, and clinical care, the center is a hub for brain health and well-being. As we unlock the mysteries of the brain, we will be able to develop more effective therapies against disease and improve the health of all Canadians. By working together, we can continue to advance brain health across the lifespan.